Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl dipped in chocolate, and I'm here with another video for you guys. So today you'll be getting ready with me, and also this will be like a day in the life of a waitress. So I'll be going to work, so I'm gonna comb my hair, shower, all of that. And so today will be Father's Day. When you get, I don't think I'll be uploading it today, but happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, period. Pooh. So yeah, you guys will be coming to work with me. I'll be working at a secret restaurant as a waitress. So you prepare the restaurant, everything with me. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn that post notification bell to be notified when I get dipped in chocolate upload another video. So yeah. So I'm going to take a bath and brush my teeth and get ready to leave out. Yeah, I hope them cook breakfast at work because I'm not eating any breakfast this morning. It was today Father's Day, so I have to reach early too. But this looks so pretty. wait, sister, wait. Yeah, so I'm going to just brush my teeth, bed, and just leave out. Leave out.
Life, but I see it too slow. Oh no, and you see my lifestyle, I got G's in the tub.
$1 million, that little bit. Yeah guys, so this is the fit. Bank crab up on feet. You pick the root, bank crab up on feet, you see me? Rolex for me, which it's a custom. But I'm dead. So guys, I'm gonna take my pretty little self and go out the road to get our transportation. So I work at 7 governors, just vendor stairs. What you say? See which thing? What kind of thing you wanna see? You wanna see pum pum? Man, leave me alone here. Yeah, the man say, man, say, so I catch up on camera now. So yes guys, let's go. So guys, me reach at work as you see. But music I play, so I'm not gonna really prolong it. Right here, so I'm show you.
Life, but I see it too slow. Oh no, and you see my lifestyle.
So we usually have somebody who comes and clean out the bathroom, but I don't know what happened. So I took up the responsibility to make sure that the bathrooms are kept clean. So now I'm cleaning out the men's bathroom and it's looking a lot better. So now I'm cleaning off the tables and chairs because you know that is corona time still and we have to keep it clean, and also you know night dew, so I have to keep it clean, also to wipe off all the watermarks. So now I'm going to wrap some knife and forks and also some spoons. So I'm going to show you guys how I wrap my knife and fork and spoon, so maybe you guys can learn a thing or two about wrapping knife and fork. So I clean off my knife and fork, making sure that they look spotless and there's no fingerprint, no food, anything, that nothing that's dirty on it. I set down my napkins flat. So yes, you're going to see I pull it apart and put it flat. So I'm going to put down my knife first, put my fork on my knife, put over the napkin, over the knife, then I bring up piece of the napkin and then I roll it over. So thanks to Lavicia for teaching me this little skill. So now I'm a pro knife wrapper. Okay guys, so this would have been my first meal of the day, looking very scrumptious and delicious and nice. It was good, but it was expensive. It was $1,000 for that meal. And guys, this is my second meal of the day. Very beautiful. Been eating so much.
So guys, we got some customers coming in. The day was kind of slow. I don't know what going for the fathers them now come out like the mothers them. But the day kind of slow. Less amount of people today. Right? No people, nobody today. So most person they under the shed. So yes guys, keep on watching. Today literally boring because if I get the chance to come on my phone, you must know that today I'm really going with nothing. But what is I going to go and appreciate life and appreciate what I go on.
So this is like the fourth thing that I ate today. I did not remember to record the third, but please forgive me. This is Skylar, guys. She is a chocolate baby. So big up Skylar.
Some girl wear bar clothes. We can. You laugh.
So guys, please forgive me. At 9:32 no, me just walk got me head. I'm never get to vlog nothing for no much than that. Today was basically a bad day for me in terms of tip, in terms of the whole vibe today was just off for your girl. And I'm sorry so I never get to vlog for no and everything. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Me I forgot to one part 2 of this because I don't believe you guys understood what I was doing today. So yeah, let's please like, comment and subscribe. But at 9:32 and 9:33 now. I've talked. Oh Lord. Bye.
So yes, this is my Sunday dinner. Also with some water.